UV sterilizer and dryer is quick and easy. Place the UV sterilizer on a flat surface and allow at least a 5-inch gap between the product and the wall to ensure proper ventilation. Now, simply plug it in. Before the first use, we recommend running a full cycle of the sterilize and dry mode. Please make sure not to use any water or cleaning agents inside the compartment. We highly recommend giving the inside of the UV sterilizer a quick wipe down with a dry cloth shortly after each use to remove any watermarks. This will ensure long-lasting effectiveness. For the best performance, we recommend a small gap between items when placing them inside the sterilizer. The control panel has 4 modes. To use the sterilization-only mode, please place dry items inside the sterilizer. You may place anything from keys, credit cards, to phones and more. Now, just close the lid and click the Sterilize button. The default cycle duration is 11 minutes. Press the Sterilize button again to increase the cycle time to 16 minutes or 21 minutes. To use the Sterilize and Dry mode, wash the items thoroughly and shake off any water droplets. If you sterilize baby feeding equipment, such as bottles or breast pump parts, make sure to disassemble the items first. Place the items inside the compartment with the openings facing up. Close the lid and click the Sterilize and Dry button. The default duration of this cycle is 51 minutes. If the items in the compartment are freshly washed or if it's relatively full, click the Sterilize and Dry button again to increase the cycle time to 61 minutes. Once the cycle is complete, the items are ready to be used. No cooling time is needed. Use the Dry mode when only drying is needed. Shake off any water droplets from the items and then place them inside the compartment. Close the lid and click the Dry button. The default duration of this cycle is 51 minutes. You may reduce the time to 41 minutes in case the compartment isn't full or if the items require a light dry. To keep items dry and sterilized for up to 72 hours, shake off any water droplets from the items and then place them inside the compartment. Close the lid and click the Store button. The product will then start a full 51-minute cycle of the Sterilize and Dry mode and will perform short sterilization sessions every 2 hours. As long as the lid is closed, the items will remain sterilized for up to 72 hours. With all cycles, once a cycle has begun, the safety lock will be automatically activated. The UVC light will shut down immediately if the lid should be lifted during operation. Please remember that if this occurs, it will force the cycle to end prematurely and the contents may not be fully sterilized. If this happens, just rerun the desired function. At the end of the cycle, the UV sterilizer will beep 6 times to let you know that you may open the lid and take out the item.
You can't fight gravity, but you can fight the harmful germs and bacteria that cause odor and infection using just UVC light. Munchkin's mini sterilizer kills over 99% of bacteria like E. coli and the flu virus from the surfaces of pacifiers, bottle nipples, and other small items in 59 seconds. 4 gold-plated LED beads emit powerful UVC light that break down and kill bacteria at the molecular level. Trust the mini sterilizer to help keep your baby safe and healthy in seconds.